Hello. Yeah, a lot of media here at the Quiapo Church today. That's Quiapo Church. Also, the police are there. Hello. Hi. Hello. Okay, slowly making my way around. The vendors. Hello. Vendors are all leaving because the task force is coming. Hey, buddy. Hello. turn the camera off because they don't want filming around. Okay, just a reminder, this is the streets of Quiapo. Pretty close to Quiapo Church. I really enjoy Quiapo. It's because it's right in the center. I can go to Divisoria. I can go to North Harbor, South Harbor. I can go just about anywhere I want to go. And it's exciting. Hello. Okay, once again, I want to say thank you very much for taking the time out of your very busy schedule to view my videos. This video was shot in Quiapo, which is in Metro Manila. And as always, watch your personal belongings if you're in areas that are congested, okay? You know, stay safe out there. And like I said, thank you very much for taking the time. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. If you got time, leave a comment. Hit that thumb up or down, you know, depending on what you feel. And feel free to leave me a comment. Okay, because I really honestly appreciate each and everybody who views my videos. Okay, thanks again, and you have a great day. Bye.